Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you the new event rewards that you can play right now, or I mean that you can get right now this new season. So the event called Rock'em Sock'em. Let's get started. What you need to do is click the events, click the future. As you can see, this is the event Rock'em Sock'em. You can get M16 watermelon theme. So what you need to do is click go. As you can see, there are some tasks or mission that you have to do to get a point. For example, win 3 safeguard matches, and also win 1 safeguard match, and you can get 20 points. So you have to collect until 120. So the reward itself is quite interesting here. Fruity ball, this is the avatar with fruit ball design. And also this one, M16 gold vibes. It's a watermelon theme camo. So what you need to do is one more time play safeguard matches. So thank you for today. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and also click thanks button below. Enjoy the game.